Every other day I'm wondering, what's a human being gotta be like? What's a way to just be competent? These sweet instincts ruin my life.
Team Kill Denji!
Hey!
We only kill devils.
Shall we wrestle to cheer our boy?
I'm not wrestling the captain of Team Kill Denji!
Just do it on repeat, keep. I'm in the club, yeah, I'm 365 party girl. Should we do a little pee? Should we have a little line? Wanna go real wild when I'm meet me in the bathroom if you're 365 party girl. French manicure, whipper with a recipe.
You call yourself a devil hunter? You've been conspiring with them all along, haven't you? You're ride the sky! Ooh, there's Kai.
Eat it up. Yeah, this is the sweet spot.
I realized something just now! Every single time I meet a girl, she ends up trying to murder me! Everybody's after my chainsaw heart! What about my heart? Denji's heart! Does nobody want that? Ah!
I really do have feelings for you, Denji. That wasn't me pretending before.
For real?
Don't be so gullible, dumbass! She's trying to kill you!
Bomb bitch wants to pull a fast one on me and I almost fell for it!
to go patrol.
This ice cream's got me tired.
Eat it up, eat it up. Yeah, this is the sweet spot.
こいつら気づいてね。大きな声出すなよ。
わしの名はパー。
あ？何の得もねえのに誰がてめえに警告使うかよ。早川先輩。
先輩、
こいつめっちゃキレてんじゃん。朝のあれのせいだな。
あのいたずらはさすがにまずかったな。
あれはいたずらレベルじゃねえ。殺すぞ。
今日はどこに悪魔を殺しに行くんじゃ。おいおいおーいちょっおい、ウヌ、そのリンゴよこせ、食わせろ。
ダメだ、全部俺んだ。敵から逃げたやつに食わせるリンゴはね。
逃げたんじゃない、お腹が空いたから帰っただけじゃ。
嘘つけ、ビビリ、チキン。
嘘つきはウヌじゃ。
なるほど。
なんじゃ。
なんかあ
Saddest moment in Chainsaw Man.
Just so you know, I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji. Here's a new contract for you. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams.
Alright, on your knees, mortal scum! Including so-called partners! You stand in the presence of power!
You're full of shit.
Those guys feed me 3 meals a day. Plus I get a futon.
That's like the bare minimum standard of living in Japan. Not something you should celebrate.
Everybody's after my chainsaw heart! What about my heart? Denji's heart! Does he only want that?
Gotta be like, what's a way to just be competent?
Wash my belly. Yay. Clean my belly. Clean my belly.
Denji is a guy who has experienced nothing but misery and agony his entire life, and now all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it's turned around for him where he is like having friendly interactions with people, which has never happened, and now women are actually showing interest in him, which he never even thought was possible in the first place. But it turns out that these women are actually just using him. He is very easily manipulated because of how little experience he's ever had in his life, so they use like sexual shit as a way of controlling Denji and grooming him.
These sweet instincts ruin my life.
let you stay in my room too long, but I finally got a girlfriend and she's the
Bomb Devil!
You're a thief. Now I've got no choice. I'm going to have to kill everyone. Interesting horns. Power. Looks like you drank too much blood. I assume it was when you were fighting those zombies. We're going to have to drain you.
Right! Say what?
Every once in a while, Power needs to have her blood drained. Otherwise, her ego grows frightening. She's far more selfish than usual.
Oh, look at those flowers! They will make a fine tribute! Relinquish them! Stop eating! They're mine! A-A-R-K, let them all say, hey Lolita, hey, hey Lolita, hey. I know what the boys want, I'm not gonna play. So stop me up and push me down, down, down. Get your way you wanna go, if you know what I mean. Better ride this smoother than a limousine. Take your hand on the curves, can you run on the lights? If you can, baby boy, then we can go all night. Gotta better get you and me.
I get it. I understand now. The fiend! Her ability is keeping us on the 8th floor! Right? That just has to be why!
Incorrect.
Get you on my radar, soon you're gonna be with me. My strategy, well, get you, baby.
He's the smartest, the fastest, and the badassest! Time to fly! Beam! Shock mode! Right! Yeehaw, motherfuckers!
Okay, class, who thinks they know the answer?
I do! It's 2, right?
We've got a genius! Now, can you tell me what this says?
It's 2, right?
Nope, it says big ass, you dummy.
Perfect again.
Cause she got that black boots with the red lips, sipping on cloud while she kissing on me. Wild child with the Southern Belle style, kind of girl you only see in your dreams. She the type of woman that...
And now I want it bad, I love game, hold me and love me, just wanna touch you for a minute, maybe 3 seconds is enough for my heart to quit. Let's have some fun, this beat is sick, I wanna take a ride on it.
Hang on. I'm not sure I understand. If I figure out a way to kill the gun devil, you, Miss Makima, are gonna personally grant any wish that pops into my head? Anything, though? Like even
Yes,
said-
Denji. Any wish.
Holy shit! Cause when I fight a dude, it's nuts or nothing!
Welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West. A state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state.
Bad, run away, big trouble, bad lady!
Should have noticed before. You're the worst servant, babe! She's big, dangerous, potato! That smell! I know it! She's the bomb
Denji, I wonder why I didn't kill you the first time we met. You know, to be honest, I never had the chance to go to school either.
Smile for the camera.
I just stay in my room too long, but I finally got a girlfriend and she's the bomb.
Girl, that party was so live last night. Girl, watch out, watch out, watch out!
I could have been wild and I could have been free, but nature played this trick on me. She wants it now, and she will not wait, but she's too rough and I'm too delicate.
Why's my place psychocentral?
Because I know that space is secure enough, and I also trust you more than anybody else.
Give me my super toast back!
Oh.
I saw it glitter as I grew and loved it. Why I never knew I thought this
Finish it up in there!
heaven sent.
Sweetness.
It's just a monument.
I'm the type who seldom flushes my feces.
Not in this house.
That's nasty.
Then they die on the spot.
Boo, you're treating us like we're livestock.
He's still pissed about this morning. That's gotta be it, right?
In hindsight, it's clear our prank went too far.
Pranks aren't anywhere near that file!
Grab onto something!
I can't! There's nothing! Just let go. I said let go! I'll be alright! So what if I die? It's okay, I've been ready to die for a long time!
You know touching me would siphon off your life.
Not if there's fabric in between, right? If you wanna die, then go ahead. Just do it somewhere far away. I'm sick and tired of people dying on me. Right before my eyes.
Her ability is keeping us on the 8th floor! Right? That just has to be why!
Incorrect.
Got you on my radar, so you're gonna do with me my strategy. Well, get you, baby. Meaning is my trademark, so you're never gonna leave my strategy. Well, get you, baby.
Cool.
You just think it, that's what you do.
love's gonna feel like nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, 'cause it feels